If you are not sure where you have set up everything in your CRM start working, watch this video checklist and review your setup. 1 to 12 foundation setup. 1. Create an account using your company email or the personal email of the company owner. 2. Set company name. 3. Add your logo. 4. Configure time zone. 5. Set currency. 6. Define business type. 7. Invite team members. 8. Assign user roles. 9. Set permissions. 10. Connect your email. 11. Connect your company email. 12. Set default email signature. 13. Configure notifications. 14. Customize dashboard. 15. Set up security settings. 16. Define data access rules. 17. Set up backups. 18. Review default settings. 19. Clean internal system data. 12. Create internal CRM guidelines. 21 to 30. Contact structure. 21. Define contact types. Lead, client, partner. 22. Create contact categories. 23. Create tag structure. 24. Define lead sources. 25. Create custom fields. 26. Define request fields. 27. Merge or clean duplicate contacts. 28. Import existing contacts. 28. Set contacts ownership. 30. Set data input rules. 31 to 50. Sales pipeline setup. 31. Define your sales process. 32. Check which employee returns can be automated, filling out documents, calculating, filling in data, sending reminders, registration confirmations, etc. 33. Define the number of pipelines. 34. Create pipelines. 35. Create pipeline stages. 36. Make sure that the name in the stages is clear to all participants in the process. 37. Define stage goals. 38. Assign probabilities. 39. Add expected deal values. 14. Set deal duration. 31. Add custom fields. 32. Add request fields per stage. 43. Create lost reasons. 44. Set pipeline rules. 45. Add deal owns. 46. Test deal flow with your team. 47. Create reporting structure. 48. Define KPIs. 49. Set sales targets. 15. Train team on pipeline. 51 to 65. Data and communications. 51. Set up call login. 52. Set up email login. 53. Set up message login. 54. Connect calendar. 55. Track meeting outcomes. 56. Record client needs. 57. Track objections. 58. Track next steps. 59. Create getting templates. 60. Define conversation structure. 61. Add mandatory opening questions to identify problems and needs. 62. Prepare standard responses for long replays. 63. Ensure consistent information delivery. 64. Set up feedback collection after interactions. 65. Create templates to close difficult conversation professionally. 66 to 80. Data and communication. 66. Define tone of communication. 67. Align communication style with brand voice. 68. Draft all outgoing mails in brand style. 69. Add opt-out option for mails. 70. Enable unsubscribable form mailing lists. 71. Add call recording notification at the start of calls. 72. Prepare legal agreement for collecting personal data. 73. Ensure secure storage of personal data from website leads. 74. Integrate website with CRM. 75. Integrate social media with CRM. 76. Integrate Google Ads with CRM. 77. Integrate Meta Ads with CRM. 78. Integrate other web sources for receiving applications with CRM. 79. Train team after each integration. 80. Run test interactions for practice. Not sure how to complete some of these steps? I can either do it for you or guide you through it. Leave a request and let's get it sorted.